This model kit review is of the 1/72nd scale hunting Percival jet Provost, and it is a model by Airfix. We've got two different options to build there. Got some nice box art here. Got some 3D pictures of the model there. Here we've got some details about the plane, and those are the two different options. So these are for flight training. And let's have a look inside and see what's inside our kit. So we have quite a few sprues here. So first of all, our glass. Looks like we've got two options there. Here's our windshield. Fairly well molded. Here are our two pilots. So these, I guess, this is the trainer and the student. Do have some mold lines here, as you can see, but those are pretty common on the figures. Here's the wing, and it's a great amount of detail here. I'm actually quite impressed with that. And got our wheel wells there. The wheel well covers down for that side. Looks like these are part of our ejection seats here. There's our control stick column. Ejection seats as well. We've got flattened tires, so that's quite nice. It looks like it's standing on the ground over there. And then we've got our tail. That's our elevator, sorry, and then a tail wheel there. And central control. Pitot tube, I guess, over here. Let's have a look here at this is the left fuselage and right fuselage. We've got some recessed panel lines, ejection seat details there, wheel well covers, air intakes there. There's our rudder, very nicely molded, some nice details there. And here is our cockpit with some detail. Not really any detail on the inside of the cockpit here. And that's probably the top of our ejection seat with the ejection pull there. And here are the tops of the wings, really nicely molded, really clean. That's a great molding there. Now we can have a look over here at our instructions. So there's some details there about the plane. So there's the icons, so you understand what they're saying. And we're going to start off with our cockpit here. Injection seats, and we then place that inside of our fuselage and put the fuselage together. Don't forget to weight the nose so that it stands with the nose on the ground. We put our elevator and tail exhaust on there, rudder goes on, and then we mount our wings to the fuselage. Top wings go on as well, and that is the air intake for both sides. I like how they show you what the last piece was that you worked on. And we've got our nose wheel well, that's open or closed, and these are our main gear covers with it up and down. And we've got our glass here, and then I guess depending if you want to have it open or closed, you use the different glass options. So here is the decal and paint guide, and a very Nice set of decals, I guess. We'll have to look at those. And here's the other one. So that's actually a fair amount of detail. Here are the common decals between the two. Lots and lots of decals. So let's have a look at those. Wow, tremendous amount of decals. Look at that. That's actually very impressive. Very, very impressive set of decals. I wish most planes did this. So that's actually a great model.